everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. We're going to give you a room tour of the Hotel Lulu today. Hotel Lulu is located at 1850 South Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim. It is 7/10 of a mile or a 15-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. Hotel Lulu is rated number 86 out of 129 hotels in Anaheim at the time of filming. Tonight we're staying at the Hotel Lulu. The Hotel Lulu used to be the Red Lion in Anaheim. We paid for this room out of our own pocket and we're excited to give you a room tour today. We booked a 2-queen room here at the Hotel Lulu. It looks like they've replaced all the linens and the carpet, the drapes, but I believe the headboards were from the Red Lion. It looks like all the lamps in here are new and they're actually quite bright. The room is a lot brighter than we thought it was going to be. There isn't a whole ton of outlets here, so there is 2 USBs and 1 outlet on this lamp between the beds. And then the alarm clock does have 2 USBs and 2 outlets as well. There's another outlet by the chair and the lamp, and 1 more over here by the full-length mirror. I had read online that some people thought the whole room was tile, and this is actually a wallpaper. It's throughout the whole room, including the bathroom. There is a great little extra seating area here. We always enjoy somewhere else to sit other than the bed in a room. We are on the first floor, so we're right out at Harbor Boulevard, and so far the noise is very minimal. We haven't really heard a lot of road noise. And there's also a work area here, a big desk, and like I said, all the lighting in here is really nice and bright. This room does come with a mini fridge, which is located right here. And it is quite spacious. I think you could easily fit a stroller in here, maybe even a pack and play if necessary. There's a lot of extra space for those items. There's also a full-length mirror to help get ready in the morning, although it's a little dark in this particular area. There's no lighting anywhere near it, so I don't know how useful that will be. I'll have to test it out in the morning. This room does come with a microwave as well as a safe, and something different that we've never seen in a hotel around this area is a kettle. So there is no coffee pot. The coffee they provide is instant coffee, but it is kind of nice to have a kettle in the room. Right in the entrance of the doorway is a spacious closet. They have a lot of hangers, an ironing board and iron, but there is no luggage rack at all in this room. The bathroom here is fairly updated. It does have granite counters. There is a lot of counter space. I think everyone could fit their toiletries in here just fine. It is a tub shower combination, which is great if you have little kids that don't want to take showers yet. The lighting is pretty good in here. There is a light in the shower, although it's not the brightest. It is helpful when trying to shave. And it does have the really nice lighted mirrors that a lot of the hotels have nowadays. The Best Western just recently bought this hotel. It used to be the Red Lion, so I know a lot of people have a lot of questions about this particular hotel. If you have any questions, please reach out and we'll try our best to answer it. We're really looking forward to our stay here, and again, we're going to have another follow-up video of our experience at Hotel Lulu, and I hope you watch that as well so you can see how our stay was here. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.